Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 4-pack eyeglass lens screen cleaning kit from Hatstart. A versatile cleaning solution designed to keep all your screens and lenses spotless. This kit is designed for a wide range of uses, compatible with laptops, computers, monitors, phones, iPads, iPhones, smart TVs, car displays, and even eyeglasses. Each pack comes with 4 cleaning sprays and 2 microfiber eyeglass cloths, offering a complete cleaning solution in one compact kit. The spray bottles feature an integrated design with the wipe, making it extremely convenient. Simply push from the top to spray and wipe away fingerprints, smudges, and dust. The formula is alcohol-free, non-toxic, and safe for all types of screens, ensuring no damage or streaks. Which is especially important for sensitive devices like tablets and high-end monitors. The microfiber cloths are gentle on surfaces but tough on grime, and they're washable and reusable, adding to the sustainability of this kit. Portability is another key feature. Each unit is compact enough to fit in a bag or pocket, making it perfect for travel, office, or car use. The bright orange design also makes it easy to spot among your other gadgets, so you'll always have a cleaner handy when you need it. The kit is built from durable ABS materials combined with microfiber, ensuring that it can withstand frequent use without wear or tear. Overall, the Hatstart 4-pack eyeglass lens screen cleaning kit offers an all-in-one, user-friendly, and safe way to keep your screens and lenses looking brand new. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to maintain their devices without worrying about scratches or streaks. And the refillable, portable design makes it a practical companion for everyday life. If you're interested in picking up a kit, you can check the link in the description. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another product deep dive.